Howard, sit. Howard, can you yawn? Yawn? You can do it. Yawn. Very good, sweetheart.